Welcome to Advanced Cut. Today we are going to create this simple 3D model with the help of surfacing tool. I hope like it. I choose here file neon. Select here part. I will select front plane. Sketch let me. I will draw one vertical line. Select. Let me define this one line. 50 mm. Select exit sketch. Again I choose front plane. Another line. I will create horizontal line. Select. Define 25 mm. Okay. Exit. Pop-up window, right click, tab, surfaces, see here, switch surface, provide path, profile twist, specify twist below, twisting control, revolution, 0.5, half revolution. I will apply thickness, both sides, 0.5 mm. Choose front plane, sketch, draw one line, alt to here. Now I select this point, hold shift key, origin to vertical. Make sure construction geometry. Select here, circle. Let me define this circle. 50 dia. Select circle outer side, origin, coincide. Again I select hairline. Trim entities. Exit sketch. Revolved card. 360 degree. Select axis. Mirror. Body. Right plane. Make sure unmerge because it's not smart. See? Now visible axis. Origin, control key, reference geometry, axis. Sure. I will apply circular pattern. Choose body. To body. Direction, axis. 360 degree equal 8. Hide axis. Now I will make a body from many bodies. Combine. Search bar. Select all body. Add. See. Choose front plane. Show sketch. Offset 5 mm. I will draw line here to here. Define origin to distance 25. Use string. Revolve card. Axis. Hide. Now I will apply some color. This looks better. Now apply fillet. 0.5 mm. Connect it to end face. The SolidWorks auto-defined on. Again, fillet 0.5 mm. Apply. Pop-up window, right click, toolbar, motion manager. Go to motion study. Animation wizard, rotation, counterclockwise. Number of rotation 1. Duration 3 seconds. Starting time 0. Finish. Thank you.